Hi guys, welcome back to Codicast. So it's been a while since the last time I've uploaded a video on this channel. Maybe it's like 2 years ago, I think. And the reason why I didn't continue making videos at that time was because I just didn't have the time to do video and shoot photos and also doing other stuff that outside this hobby. And yeah, that's why the reason I didn't continue this channel. But in 2024, this time I saw my friend's post, Aulia Rahman or Owl Garage on Instagram. You can check him out too. And he just posted his YouTube channel about making diecast reviews, and I thought that maybe I could do the same and use his video as a motivation for me to make my own video. And so here we are back with the Coricast YouTube channel, and for this new video, this first video for this 2024, we're gonna start with a very special item. As you can see here in front of you, we got the CM model or the colorful miniature model, and this is no regular CM model product. This one is the HEC 2024, which the HEC stands for the Hobby Expo China. It's an diecast event in Beijing, if I'm not mistaken, that held in 2024, I think in February or April. And this exclusive item is only sold at the event. So you have to go to the event to get this item, or you need to buy it from a collector or a seller that got this item at the event. So this item is not mine, it's my friend's collection. And he also got this directly from the CM model director itself, Mr. Wang, as a gift. And now he kindly lent me this exclusive item for me to review and take some photos with. So thank you, Mr. Anonymous, for lending me this item. And I think we'll just go to take a look this model now. So as you can see from the packaging, I think it's very simple. It just shows what the event looks like. The logo, the HEC 2024, it's a Chinese writing. I don't know what that means. And then from the side, you could see the models inside, which was this McLaren P1 GTR. And then on the other side, we got the McLaren Senna GTR. So this box was included a two-car model inside. And I think we're just gonna open it. To open it, we had to open it from the front. We had these openings that was provided by CM model, and this opening is also magnetic, so you don't have to be afraid that the model will fall. You just open it like this, and you could see this sponge to protect the model. And then here you have the model. And this is the model out of the packaging. We got the P1 GTR on the top and the Senna GTR at the bottom. I think I'm just gonna go review this one first, the Senna GTR. So as you can see here, we got the McLaren Senna GTR, and this is a brand new toolings from CM model. And if I'm not mistaken, I think they already open pre-order the painted one, like I think the blue and black, and the latest one being the chameleon, which also an event exclusive. But the first one to hit the market was this one, the Harrods Tribute livery. So this livery, the Harrods Tribute livery, was a tribute livery for the McLaren F1 GTR that was raced back in Le Mans 1995. And now it's brought back into this new McLaren, new modern McLaren models. And I think it suits very perfectly on this car. As you can see from the side, we got the 5-spoke wheels, which I think also pays tribute to the original McLaren F1 GTR that used a 5-spoke wheels also. And as you can see, we got the UK flags and the race number, the 51, and then we got the Harrods livery and this Ayrton Senna logo. And on the side we got the GTR LM logo, as well as we got a very beautiful detail of the carbon fiber on the side skirts. And if you look at the front, we still got the Harrods livery on the hood. And as you can see, the details on this, I think air intakes was pretty detailed. I think it's a plastic, but it looks really detailed. And then you got the Photo Edge McLaren logo, and also a plastic headlights, although the DRL headlights was painted. And then on the front lips we got the same carbon fiber treatment, and also we had this GTR LM logo. I think it's kind of hard to show on the video, but we got this logo GTR LM here. And moving on the rear, we got this beautiful huge diffuser which painted in a body color in yellow. And if you look at the under the big wing, we got this carbon decal treatment also, and also with the GTR LM logo. And for the rear view, these taillights was also painted. I think it's understandable because the taillights on the McLaren Senna was a very thin just stripes, so I think it's not possible if it makes from the plastics. And for a very minor details, we got this tow hook right here, which is also a very good details attention from CM model. And from the top, I think this is a very interesting part and my most favorite part, that we got this very clean and glossy look of the decals, of the carbon decals. I mean, look at that. If you could see this on the video, it looks very glossy and it looks very clean. And also not only on this part that we got the carbon, we got the carbon inside at the engine also. If you can see, we got these carbon decals inside the engine bay. And also on the spoiler one, the spoiler mount, we got this decal also. And I think it's a very good product from CM model. About the interior, I think it's just plain black, but you get this fire extinguisher on the passenger seat, the red one like right there. And yeah, I think that's a very interesting model from CM model. Although I just kind of feel that the right height of the car is kind of slanted towards the rear, so the front one looks kind of a bit high, but I think it's just minor issues and not included in the QC, so I think that's fine for me because it is still a good model. And now let's continue to the second model. This is the McLaren P1 GTR. And on this P1 GTR, if I'm not mistaken, I think they already released this P1 GTR on this Harrods livery sometimes ago in the past, and they reissued this model to be included in this exclusive event model with the Senna GTR. But yeah, we got the regular details from CM model, although I think this is a model that has less details than the Senna GTR because we don't get a carbon decal treatment in the front lips, on the side skirt, and also on the back we don't have. We just got this black painted details. And for the front ones, I think it's just regular details. We got these plastic headlights, we got this tow hook, we got these canards that has separate parts, and for the interior it's just plain black. Yeah, we got no fire extinguisher like the Senna GTR. And for the wheels, I think it still had disc brakes, but it doesn't look very clear in the video. And from the rear, you could see that this model has a painted taillights also, because I think it's very complicated for manufacturer to replicate a P1 taillights in 1/64 scale. So I think that's understandable. And for the overall view of this model, I think it's just okay. It's really good for a CM model, but my favorite is still with the Senna GTR, which has a much more details. So I just noticed a few differences on this particular model, the Senna GTR, the ones that my friends had with the other collectors. And basically the differences was just this Harrods livery, the one on the hood, and then on the side, and which one has this Harrods logo? Oh yeah, I think only on the hood and the sides. The other collector that had this item, they don't have this Harrods livery on their model. And also the GTR LM, if you see here, my friend Sample has this LM logo on it, but the other collectors that I've seen on this Instagram, on Facebook, their model doesn't have this LM logo. So I think it's kind of a bit of confusing that if my friend's sample is a prototype sample or not, because many other collectors that already acquired this item and photograph it, and I noticed they don't have this Harrods logo and the LM logo all over the car, like this one on the front lip. We got the GTR LM logo, but they lost the LM logo and the Harrods one. So maybe if someone had this model and already open it and photograph it, maybe you could give more information. Also, if you had this Harrods logo and the LM logo, or you also missing this logo, maybe let me know in the comment so I can know that if someone had this particular model, the same one as my friends that has the Harrods and the LM logo complete on the body of the car. So yeah, let me know. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like, you can comment. If you have the differences on the model, you can comment too, let me know. And if you have suggestion or critiques towards this video, maybe the lighting or the camera or my speaking, you could comment also, especially my speaking, because I make this video in English in the first place was because I want to practice my English and I want it to be more fluent in the future. So yeah, I got to be doing more reviews like this in English for the future. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.